Tanzania is home to Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa, standing at 5,895 meters, 19,341 feet, above sea level. The country is known for its incredible wildlife and is home to the famous Serengeti National Park. Zanzibar, a semi-autonomous region of Tanzania, is famous for its spices and has a rich history influenced by Arab trade. Tanzania has over 120 different ethnic groups, making it one of the most culturally diverse countries in Africa. The official languages are Swahili and English, with Swahili being widely spoken throughout the country. Lake Victoria, shared with Uganda and Kenya, is the largest lake in Africa and the second largest freshwater lake in the world. The Great Rift Valley runs through Tanzania, creating stunning landscapes and unique geological formations. Tanzania has a significant population of endangered species, including the African wild dog and the black rhinoceros. The Serengeti hosts the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras travel in search of fresh grazing. Dar es Salaam is the largest city and former capital of Tanzania, known for its bustling port and vibrant markets. Tanzania was once part of the German East Africa colony in the late 19th century before becoming a British protectorate. The name Tanzania is a combination of Tanganyika and Zanzibar, both of which united in 1964. More than a third of Tanzania's land is designated as national parks or wildlife reserves. The country has a tropical climate along the coast and a temperate climate in the highland areas. Tanzania is one of the few places where you can see the Big Five game animals: lions, elephants, buffaloes, leopards, and rhinoceroses. The country produces some of the world's best coffee, particularly in the Kilimanjaro and Arusha regions. Olduvai Gorge, located in northern Tanzania, is one of the most important paleoanthropological sites in the world. Selous Game Reserve is one of the largest wildlife reserves in Africa and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The islands of Zanzibar are known for their beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and rich marine life. The Ngorongoro crater is the world's largest inactive volcanic caldera, providing a unique ecosystem and abundant wildlife. Tanzania's national currency is the Tanzanian shilling, TZS. The country has a rich tradition of music and dance, including the popular Taarab music genre. Tanzania is home to hot springs, including the famous Maji Moto, known for its boiling waters. The annual Kilimanjaro Marathon draws participants from around the world, taking place in Moshi. Tanzania has a vibrant art scene, with local crafts such as basket weaving, wood carving, and batik textiles. The country's population is over 60 million people. The Jozani Chwaka Bay National Park is home to the rare red colobus monkey, found only in Zanzibar. Tanzania is a top destination for scuba diving and snorkeling, particularly around Pemba Island and Mafia Island. The country has several World Heritage Sites, including the Stone Town of Zanzibar and the Kilimanjaro National Park. Swahili cuisine features staples like ugali, maize porridge, and fresh seafood, influenced by various cultures. Tanzania's official national motto is Unity, Peace, and Freedom. The country is rich in minerals, including gold, diamonds, and tanzanite, a gemstone found only in Tanzania. The Maasai people, known for their unique customs and dress, inhabit the northern regions of Tanzania. Tanzania has a history of early human activity, with some of the oldest fossils dating back millions of years found here. Dar es Salaam has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants. The country participates in the East African Community, fostering economic and political cooperation with neighboring states. Tanzania has a low population density, especially in its vast rural areas. Sports, particularly soccer, are a popular pastime among Tanzanians. The country's flag features green, black, yellow, and blue colors, symbolizing its vegetation, people, natural resources, and water. The Udzungwa Mountains are a biodiversity hotspot and home to many endemic species of plants and animals. Tanzania is famous for its vibrant festivals, such as the Saudi Za Busara Music Festival held in Zanzibar. The country has a well-preserved culture of oral storytelling passed down through generations. Kilimanjaro's glaciers are shrinking due to climate change, with predictions they may disappear in the coming decades. Tanzania offers stunning hiking opportunities, with trails through national parks and mountainous regions. The country's economy relies heavily on agriculture, tourism, and mining. There are several active volcanoes in Tanzania, including Mount Meru and the Ol Doinyo. The Tanzania National Park Authority manages over 15 national parks, each showcasing unique landscapes and ecosystems. The country promotes wildlife conservation and is home to numerous organizations dedicated to preserving its natural heritage. Tanzania's coastal waters are rich in marine biodiversity, attracting researchers and conservationists. The island of Mafia was once a base for the famed pirate Captain Kidd in the 17th century. The country has a significant number of lakes, including Lake Nyasa, Malawi, and Lake Tanganyika, the second deepest lake in the world. On the shores of Lake Nyasa, you can find the local fish species called cichlids, known for their vibrant colors. The ruins of Kilwa Kisiwani on the coast are an ancient reminder of the Swahili coast trading history. The Tanzania Railways Corporation connects various regions of the country with both passenger and freight trains. Tanzania celebrates its Independence Day on December 9 each year since gaining independence from Britain in 1961. The country has a young demographic, with over half the population under 18 years old. Tanzania's economy is one of the fastest growing in Africa, driven by tourism and agricultural exports.